So my colleague James has just finished his live trading session this morning on the 6th of February, and there's some great trades have been called in today's session. So we run these 2-hour sessions several times a week, and what we're doing here is going through identifying the trading opportunities using the strategies that we teach. And what I want to do is just take a moment to go through a couple of the opportunities, some of the feedback we've had, and actually show you a screenshot from today's session as well. So what we've got here is a few opportunities that were called during the session. It's between 8 and 10 this morning, and we had a couple of great trading opportunities here. So we had a nice buy trade here, getting in on this bar here on the close of this bar at around 6 minutes past 9, and a fantastic move up again as we in the top section of this band, if you like. We've got the arrows underneath us. We've got the green arrows green lines as well. So all lines leading to a strong move up, and that's what it had. You know, when you're looking at the DAX compared to the Dow, it's not going to have the same sort of ferociousness, if you like, probably not the right word to use, as the Dow. It's not going to move quite as much. So 15, 20, 25 points on the DAX is a really, really good move on a 2-minute chart. And here we got that in spades. And I know just looking at the chat, looking at a lot of the logs from this morning's session, lots of people covering those profits, taking sort of 10, 15 points, moving the stop up really tight, because that's about what you tend to get out of these opportunities. As for the DAX, later on in the session at around 20 past 9, there was a fantastic sell trade here as well, falling really, really hard. Again, you can see the arrow pointing down. You can see the red lines as well. Once again, all indication is that this market is now going to be moving down to lower prices. And it did. And actually, within just a couple of minutes, 4 minutes, in fact, you're about 25 points on side. Now, compared to the Dow, it doesn't sound huge amounts, but it moves about half the speed of the Dow. The price is about half the size. It's going to move about half the sort of the speed in points terms. So really a 25-point move on the DAX is more like a 50-point move on the Dow. Do you see? So actually, there's a lot of scope in there, a lot of potential for profit in there. Yeah, it came back a little bit, but it was a great winning trade. Worst case scenario, if you ran it according to the arrows, you'd have made a profit of around about sort of 13, 14 points or so, but a lot of potential for a bit more profit in there as well. And there's some other great trades this morning too. And what I wanted to draw your attention to was a little screenshot. I had an email from the trader coach who's presenting the session today, James Wright. You can see an excerpt from the email here. I've had to redact it for obvious reasons. We've got client names in there, people who are going through our training programs and so on, and they're out there and they're doing it. And you've got, the sort of feedback is quite typical that we're getting there. So chaps ST here, I can't say the full name for obvious reasons. A great day, up 101 points and then 49 points on the continuation. So that's up 150 points on the day. Another one up 62 points, another one up 40 points yesterday. And this is the sort of thing that you're going to get. So I did a video about trading on the 5th of February just a few minutes ago. I'm following it up now. So clients are out there and they're doing it. Why are they not all making 150 points? Well, they're not all going to trade 6 or 7 hours in the day, are they? You're going to trade at a time that best suits you. You've got a couple of hours in the day that you can go into. You're going to pick up a couple of opportunities. You're not necessarily going to get all 8, 9, 10 opportunities that might be throughout the day. Do you see? That's why you're going to get different results. Yep, sure, there's a loss-making trade from ST here. Yeah, he's made 150 points, but he had a loss maker on that trade as well. That's fine. That's normal. It's part of trading. And as you can see, some of the other feedback here. Thanks for the session. 21 pips for the session. That was this morning. Okay, good session. Thank you. Very helpful. Brilliant. Cheers. Great education again. A good morning and so on. So I think it's the social proof side that I really want to get out there today. Is trading's great and all, and it's fantastic to have that rules-based strategy, but are people actually out there and are they doing it? Here's evidence that they are. And if you'd like to find out more about it, just give us a call. Give us a call on 01234 757 553. We can have a chat with you about whether you'd like to join us too. All the best, everybody, and bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.